Hello guys, welcome back to Unmasking Crypto together with me. And now we're gonna see what's currently happening in Bitcoin price when the war is still ongoing currently between US and Iran, and it still haven't stopped yet. So let's see how the war have impacted Bitcoin price currently this week. And we also in the new month, so we will have to see how Bitcoin price is gonna be moving for March. And currently, I'm in a 4 hour time frame. As you can see, currently Bitcoin price is actually coming down in price. Okay, and I want to show you guys something in my daily time frame. What is it? Actually, I have draw here uh, two trend line which I have found here, which is the bear flag pattern. If you guys can see here, you can clearly see we have a bear flag pattern forming. But today, after yesterday, and we see the daily candle have actually closed above this trend line, which means it actually didn't break according to the bear flag where it's supposed to break below this trend line, but it has break above this trend line. But for now, I still cannot confirm yet that Bitcoin price eventually will continue in the uptrend, because as usual for me, based on my point of view, based on my understanding, for myself, I actually want another one more daily candle to close above this trend line, and then only myself I will see that Bitcoin price will able to continue in the uptrend price action. But currently, if you guys see, it looks a little bit good for the upward trend. But as I said, I will see based on another daily candle where it's gonna close after today. But for now, if you guys see, I have find a position where we can take our buy position, which means in other way the long position. Here at this level, you guys see I have marked this purple color rectangle box, which is to take the buy position zone, because you guys see previously it have done a lower low and then it did a new higher high. This I'm showing you guys in the 1 hour time frame, and then it did a higher low, then higher high, another higher low, and then it have given us a new structure breakout, which is a higher high. So currently I have taken the position for us where we could take the long position is at this price action level, which is around 66.2k to 67k. This is where recently the breakout happens and the Bitcoin price did a higher high. So that is why I'm currently waiting. And if you guys even see in the 4 hour time frame, a new structure breakout has been formed. And also, if you see in the daily time frame, the candle have closed bullish and also higher than the previous daily candle. So which means currently the momentum looks good for the uptrend, but to be more actual in the confirmation for the uptrend, I personally want to wait for another daily candle to close above this triangle trend line. But meanwhile, to take long position at this area looks pretty good, and we can take the long position here. And also make sure know your risk, how much you're going to risk from your capital if you're going to take the long position, as where I am expecting. And this is just a financial advice from my side and based on my point of view. For sure you guys might have your own point of view of how Bitcoin might move in the coming days, but this is just how I'm seeing currently, since the war is ongoing. And also, if you guys see, I want to show you guys the US dollar index is currently performing very strong for this week, which means after the war have begins, US dollar starting Monday, it is currently just going in one trend, which is uptrend. You guys can see here, so bullish. Even though here at this level, it have leave us a gap. I'll show you guys. I'll draw you where the gap is at this level. You guys see the gap is here. It still haven't closed the gap, but the bullish momentum in DXY is very strong. Currently I'm expecting maybe today itself DXY could reach at this price level, which is around $99.1 to $99.4 area. Okay, I'm seeing here this place is a supply quite strong at this place, but we'll have to see whether it might break this supply level or it could be rejecting at this price level. Okay, and back to Bitcoin. So that's all for my Bitcoin view currently for today, and I will show you the next video coming up tomorrow. Stay tuned for it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. I hope we can grow to 1,000 subscribers by end of 2026. See you all, guys.